Hey everyone, and in this video we will do about the Scratch, and that's the basically video of Scratch. So either you can open Scratch 3, or if you don't have the Scratch 3, you just go to your Chrome or Google, then search scratch.mit.edu. Okay, just click on this, then just click on this link, and then you can just start creating. And then they will show you some tutorials. So they will show you some tutorial, and then you can just use the Chrome, or either if you have the application, that's good. So in the app I'm going to make, so first of all, whenever you will open this Scratch, so you will find this sprite, the cat sprite, which is always default in this. Whenever you cut this leaf, then open this again, then you will find it as a default. Similar in the Scratch 1, there's Scratch 1. Due to some issues, and I don't know why I can't download the Scratch 2.0. This is 1.4, Scratch 1.4. In this also you will have this cat as a default. So in the Scratch 1.4, it may not have some features to do, and that's kind of difficult when you import all the things like fantasy, then okay, this folder and this folder. You can't search it if you know the name. So I'm not using this one, I'm using the Scratch 3 because it's easy to use it. So first of all, what we are going to create, we are going to create a moving pencil. Okay, so we are going to create a moving pencil. So I have already made the file, so either it is this, I think that, so that it is this. Yes, so I have already created it and tested it, so I know that program, so I just made that. So you can see the script here as given here in front of you. So let's make it again. So when flag clicked, then you have to just if you don't have in this blocks pane, you will have tell my blocks, and if you don't have the pen blocks already, so just click on this add extension, then pen, then erase all, then pen down, then set pen color to blue. Here you can choose any kind of blue. Okay, now motion, go to x0 and y0, then control, repeat 36. You have to choose it 36 and enter. Oops, 30. So I need to do this again. Repeat 36. Duplicate. So I will just put it right there. just delete this, then paste this. So what you have to do, repeat 36, then repeat 4, then move 100 steps, then turn 90 degree, and in repeat 4 you will have this 2 blocks only, and then turn 10 degree, and then change pen color. ये आपको पेन कलर कहाँ से मिलेगा, पेन ब्लॉक्स में जाके change pen color, this block, okay, change pen color by 100, then turn 90 degree, तो टर्न 15 डिग्री का है, आपने उसे 10 करना है, देन 90 करना है, देन मूव 10 स्टेप्स आपको यहाँ पे दे रखा है, यू हैव टू चेंज इट एंड देन मेक इट 100. So then all you will get repeat motions on the control, repeat blocks in the control. So now we will, okay, it is double time, so it is making like it double times. Okay, so I will just delete one of my blocks, this. Now it is creating nicely, so you can see the pen scheme. And our next game is, so I will just new, okay, I will just make it new, and I will upload from my computer flying parrot. So actually I made that. So first of all you have to choose background, and just go to backdrops here, just delete this white background, then choose blue sky, and then go to the sprite again, parrot, then costumes, parrot A and parrot B, you have to import it from here according to you, okay, parrot A and parrot B. So just play it, stop all and play it. Okay, so why it is moving like this, because it is like if we have to do it, turn 15 degree. Now when it will be move on to the edge, it will just bounce and it turn 15 degree. So let's see what the 15 degree is, like showing the effect or not. Okay, the 15 degree is not working at all. Just stop it. Okay, so why it is you have to do set rotation style in left to right, okay, left to right. And now so you can see here that it is moving. You can just change its place. Thanks for helping me to fly. And you can just do like touching its bounce, then it will be come back. So you can see here that only left to right, not the position, only left to right. So this is the script here, you can see all. So these are the two functions, or you can say two projects I have made that. And you can find when flag clicked in the events button, when flag clicked, then forever in the control blocks, then switch costume to parrot A, is in the looks, and then wait 0.5 seconds. You can change it here. Now the say block, switch and then say, ये सारे आपको looks block में मिल जाएंगे. And then move 20 steps. If on edge bounds, set rotation style left to right. ये सारे आपको blocks मिल जाएंगे motion में. And then जो ये wait 0.5 seconds है, ये आपको कहाँ मिलेगा? कंट्रोल ब्लॉक्स में. और जो forever है वो भी आपको कंट्रोल ब्लॉक्स में मिलेगा. सो ये है पूरी स्क्रिप्ट जो कि चाहिए एक ऐसा फंक्शन करने में. सो दिस वीडियो इज़ एंडेड टिल नाउ, and meet you in the next video with the new scratch project. Till then, bye bye.